Gavana wa kaunti ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga amesema hivi leo kwamba waliotaka kumwangamiza Raila Odinga wanadhani ipo siku atamkamata, ila kuna kitu kimoja hawafahamu, kwamba Raila ni mtu wa watu na atakayejaribu upuzi huo atakiona cha mtemakuni. Aidha, aliongezea akisema siku ya Jumatatu kweli utajulikana na lazima Ruto atoke State House apende asipende.
Madwana wati thurwa, as was said by Julius Caesar in 049 BC, that we have crossed the Rubicon. We have reached a point of no return. And I want to tell whoever it is out there, before you kill Raila Odinga, you kill us all. You must first kill us all and pass with us. I have heard some people talking everywhere. Kawan gamolo dua luorango, uodua mapinjo luoro, makata gachieta temo wire to donge no chamo wange. Yowie! Before you arrest Raila Odinga, you must build a prison big enough to arrest the rest of us Kenyans and put them there first before Raila Odinga can walk in there. We have reached a point of no return, Jothurwa. Kanga todua mulag bolo Odinga. Wa uoko ko wate. Koa ugwe nyaka imbo. Ng'eyo ni jogi padi berberi ma de kwesi. Mama Martha, they think it is berber you can take a kwesi. Because for the last couple of days, they think they have been blocking you left, right, and center. Come Monday, I have heard them saying that you don't know the direction to State House, you don't know the direction to these places. It has been a warm-up. Come Monday, we will reach whatever the destination is that we need to go. Under the leadership of Baba, we will reach. Wabro chopo. Wabro timorenade. Kingeni inwo digem kani no yeri gi odiem. To kare gi moro onge long ni no in long lelo. Iluori wuotho kaji kacha, ne di wuotho ne di manyo ki ang'owa. Omera we tugo gi ji.